हाय, मेरा नाम रेंगसाजीर टी किलिंगपी है। आप लोग मुझे किलिंगपी भी बुला सकते हो। I'm basically from Karbi Anglong, Assam, and I'm a professional karate player.
What? Yeah, she's written.
Yes, and I was the youngest black belt in India, 2005. I was just 6 years old. And my dad is also my coach, my mom is also my coach, my sister plays and my brother plays as well.
Thank you. आपका ये जो getup है, जो आपने किया है, of course it's traditional.
Yeah, so basically this is my traditional wear.
बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है.
Thank you so much, ma'am. आप भी बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो.
And your hair also looks really nice.